Hello students, here is a given question and the question says, a child hears an echo from a cliff after the sound of powerful cracker that is 4 seconds. Means the time is given, time that is t is equal to the 4 seconds is given. Okay, how far away the cliff from the child, okay, and take the speed of the sound in air means the velocity. We can say this is the velocity that is v is equal to given 340 meter per second. Okay, then we have to find out the distance between the two. Let's suppose this is the man, or we can say the boy, okay, and this is the cliff. This is the cliff. The distance between the two, that is d. When the